Hi guys, welcome back. In this video we will learn two more things. Okay, so let's get started. First let us write some code. Hash include iostream using namespace std semicolon int main, and then I am having return 0, then semicolon. Okay, so just a second. Okay, so let us write some code. Let us print something. Cout Iron Man is awesome, and then semicolon. Cout John Cena is also awesome, and then semicolon. Okay, so build and run. Iron Man is awesome and then John Cena is also awesome. Okay, so cout and line and then semicolon. Okay, so build and run. Okay, so now it's looking good. Iron Man is awesome, John Cena is also awesome, and these two lines are by default. Okay, so let's do something more. Cout and line and then semicolon. Okay, so build and run. Now it is looking good. Okay, so something very interesting is going on here. Let me show you. If you will look carefully, semicolon, 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 and then again semicolon. So why I am writing semicolon? So it is just like English. In English we use full stop. In C++ we use semicolon to tell the compiler this line is finished. Okay, so semicolon is used to tell the compiler that this line is finished. Okay, so what if I remove semicolon? For example, what if I will not write semicolon here? What will happen? Compiler will show me error. Okay, so let's test it. So remove this semicolon, build and run. So the compiler is showing me error, and you can read the error statement here. Error expected semicolon before cout. Okay, so we have to write semicolon, otherwise compiler will show us error. Okay, so let us add semicolon and then build and run. Okay, so it is running perfectly fine. So I want to write one thing here. Do not forget to write semicolon, otherwise compiler will show us error. Otherwise compiler will show us error. Okay, so I want to write this line, but why? Because later on when you will see this code, you can easily figure out that it is important to write semicolon, otherwise compiler will show us error. So I want to convey this message to you. Okay, so let's build and run. Okay, so the compiler is showing me error, and what is the error statement? You can read it here. Do was not declared in this scope. So basically what is happening? Okay, so we want that this line should be visible to us, but C++ compiler should ignore it. So how can we do that? So the idea is very simple. Just put 2/. Now compiler will ignore this line. Okay, so I can say this line, you can see this line, but C++ compiler cannot see this line. Okay, so this thing is called comments. So this thing is called comments. Okay, so this line is visible to me. This line is visible to you, but this line is not visible to C++. Okay, so the compiler will ignore this line. Okay, so build and run. And my code is perfectly fine. C++ is ignoring that line. Okay. So one obvious question here, why we use comments? We use comments because with the help of comments, our code becomes easier to understand. So going forward, we will be writing lots of comments so that it becomes easier to understand what our code is doing. Okay. Okay, so how to write a comment? Just put 2/ and write whatever you want. So this is called single line comment. Okay, so this is only a single line. We can only write a single line. So what if I want to make a paragraph as a comment? I want to write a paragraph as a comment. So there are two ways. So the first way is, okay, so the first way is write 2/ in the beginning of each line. And the second way is, so this is my paragraph. The second way is multiple line comments. Just put a beginning and end. So this is called multi-line comments. So all this thing will be a part of comment. So my entire paragraph will be a comment now. Okay. So let me demonstrate you. And now whatever you will write, it becomes a comment. You can see here return 0 also becomes a comment. So for ending the comment, what will I do? So this is my comment. Okay. So let's build and run. Our output is 100% correct. Okay, so that is all for this video. Thanks for watching.